Hey everyone! Today we've got a fun-filled and educational quiz where you get to guess the animals. So, get ready to put your thinking caps on and see how well you can identify these animals. And don't forget to write your answers in the comments below to see how many you can get right. Let's get started. Guess the animal. Lion. What is this? Deer. Guess another one. Zebra. Yes, right. Horse. Elephant. Guess the animal. Monkey. What is this? Cow. Crocodile. Guess another one. Bear. What is this? Tiger.